He's been feeding Jekyll and Heidi for 3 years, starting in the spring, two and a half years ago. And at first we thought they were Jekyll and Hyde, and then we realized that one was a Heidi. And they, last year, they were, from February on, just Jekyll would come. And we realized when we started investigating more on ravens that Heidi was nesting just over the ridge there, and she stays on the nest for I think about 4 months.